On April 8, 2023, while on patrol, an officer noticed a vehicle with 2 occupants engaged in sexual activity. He approached the vehicle, calmly asked them to step out, and began assessing their condition.
Thank you. All right, sit tight real quick for me. You guys back dressed yet?
Yes, sir.
You dressed, Joe?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking to her. You dressed? All right, hop out with me. Ma'am, you gotta hop out with me.
I'm sorry?
Hop out with me. Appreciate you. Just stand right here for me. Stand with your feet together, hands out your side just like this. I'll look at your eyes really quick. Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes, all right? Okay. Robert, here's this back.
Sir.
Have you been drinking at all?
We both had a couple drinks, sir. Yes,
Let me see your eyes real quick.
Go ahead.
All right, you're free to leave. I wouldn't recommend you drive though, okay? Because if you get in your car, I'm going to arrest you for DUI. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So good. If you want to get on your phone and go ahead and start calling somebody, go right ahead, all right? Ma'am, right now I'm going to conduct a DUI investigation to determine if you're impaired to the point your normal faculties are being affected. Do you understand that? All right. The reason behind that, you're in active physical control of a motor vehicle, all right? All right, even though you weren't driving, you're sitting in the parking lot, you're in behind the driver's seat, your vehicle's on, it's running. You're going to drive after you had sex with this young gentleman, okay? You understand? Get where it's coming from? Okay. All right, in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to perform as a series of tasks. Those tasks are to determine if you're impaired or not impaired, okay? You understand that? All right, before I do that, what I'm going to do is actually, let's walk over here. You have your shoes?
Yeah. My phone.
Go ahead and grab your shoes.
Field sobriety tests are standardized procedures that help officers determine whether a person's coordination and cognitive functions are impaired. But for this woman, these tests became a battle she never saw coming, turning a routine stop into a moment of sheer desperation.
All right, like I said, I'm going to ask you to perform a series of tasks. Those tasks to determine if you're impaired or not impaired, okay? Part of me doing that, I'm going to let you know what your rights are. It doesn't mean that you're under arrest. It does not mean that you will be under arrest. It just means that you're currently detained by law enforcement and you're not allowed to leave, okay? Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay, so right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can is against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now or anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, it won't be appointed for you without cost. You have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand those rights? Okay, do you have any medical ailments I need to be aware of?
No.
Do you have any problems with your legs, feet, or back?
No.
Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Do you have contacts in right now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have diabetes?
No.
Do you have epilepsy?
No.
Okay, perfect. Just stand right over here for me and face me. There you go. What I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together, hands out your side, just like this. Okay, I want you to remain in that position until I tell you to move. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna look at my pen and you're gonna follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay. During that entire time, I don't want you to move your head. I just want you to follow with your eyes. Okay. You're okay. You're okay. Ready? Good. Put your hands back down your side. You're fine. Go ahead and get back to this. Hands down your side. Hands down your side. All right. Do you see this line here on the ground?
Yes.
All right. What I want you to do is let's just stand over here on that end of the line. About where the cigarette butts are. And take your left foot, put it directly in front of on the line. Take your left foot. 16 steps. Just continue how as I instructed you. Okay. All right, next thing I want you to do is I want you to stand right here for me. Face me. I want you to stand with your feet and heels just together, just like this, hands down your side, just like that. All right, I want you to remain in that position until I tell you to move. Do you understand? Now, when I tell you to, you're gonna raise one of your feet. I don't care which one. It could be your left, it could be your right, I don't care, okay? You're gonna raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're gonna have your toe pointed forward. You're gonna look down at your foot. You're gonna count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? Okay, are you ready? Go ahead and begin.
The officer continued with the sobriety test until he was certain the suspect was unfit to drive. He then questioned her about the incident, and her responses only raised further doubts about her judgment.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had 2 drinks here.
What 2 drinks?
I had Captain Coke.
Captain and Coke, were they singles, doubles?
Singles.
Okay. Were they talls, shorts?
They were talls.
Okay. So single talls, Captain and Coke, 2 of them. What time did you start drinking?
Around 10:30.
Okay. And what time did you end drinking?
11:30.
11:30. What time do you think it is currently?
Like around 1:30.
You think it's about 1:30 right now? Okay. On a scale from 0 to 10, with 0 being completely sober and 10 being fall down drunk, how would you rate yourself currently?
I would rate myself around 3.
A 3? Why would you say a 3?
I would say 3 because I feel fine.
Okay. Do you feel impaired at all?
No.
Do you feel buzzed?
No.
No. Okay. And is that your vehicle, the Mustang?
Yes.
All right. And just to confirm, what was going on when I first arrived?
It was the first time that I met him, and I was just I liked him, and I was attracted to him, so I wanted to like be attracted to him.
Okay.
But
Is that why your pants were off and his pants were off?
yeah,
Okay. And after you all finished that, what were you gonna do?
absolutely nothing. I was gonna go home.
You're gonna go home, and where's home?
On Alafia.
Alafaya? Okay. Alrighty. Let's walk over this way for me. Do you have any tattoos that I need to know of?
Yeah, I do.
Where?
I have a couple.
Where?
I have a little one here
Okay.
on my arm,
Okay.
on my head,
Okay.
on this head, and on my leg,
Okay. Where at on your leg?
on my ankle.
Okay.
While finalizing the investigation, the officer attempted to take photos of the woman, including her tattoos. This instantly set her off, escalating the situation into a confrontation that led to her arrest.
Just gonna take a quick picture of you, okay?
Why?
Just look at me real quick. There you go. And then your tattoos.
Why?
What's that?
Why?
Because that's what my sergeant requires.
Why?
What? Why?
Yeah.
I have no idea. You can ask him that. I have no idea.
Why does he want?
What's that?
Why does
Well, right now you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI. Go ahead, turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. Actually, before I put this on here, let me take this off and put it in your. Here, hold on a second. I'm gonna take your watch off and put it in your. Actually, take your watch off for me and put it in your pocket. That way, I don't want it to get damaged. And I don't, with the handcuffs on, it could hurt your wrist a little bit. I want to try to prevent that, so just put it in your pocket. That way you have it on you. If you want to take that off too, you can too. And put it in your pocket.
Does she have the keys to the car?
It's sitting in the driver's seat, I think. Where's the keys at right now? In your purse. You need me to help you? You got it? There you go. You just turn around, place your hands behind.
Can I ask what I'm getting an arrest for?
For DUI.
For what?
For DUI.
What did I do?
I just told you. Go turn around.
Can
Ma'am,
you tell
listen.
me again?
Yeah, you're under the influence of alcohol to the point your normal
But why
faculties are
did
being
you pull
affected.
me over?
First of all, if you don't turn around, you're gonna get charged.
But why
Listen.
did you pull me over? I'm just wondering.
Because you're having sex
Why?
in a parking lot.
Why did
I just
you
told
pull
you
me
that.
over?
I just told you. Because you're having sex in a parking
Okay,
lot.
why are you guys here?
I just told you. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. I'm not going to play with you. This isn't how it goes. We're not doing roadside. And I told you multiple times already. You don't have sex in a parking lot, okay?
But why were you guys called?
Nobody called. I was doing my job and
But
patrolling
why
the
were you
neighborhood.
guys called?
Nobody was called.
So why did you guys come?
Because it's my job to patrol.
But why did you guys come?
Stop.
But why did you guys come?
Hold on.
Now you're going to be in charge of resisting officer without violence. Step up, please. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you.
After securing her in the patrol car, the officer approached the man to inform him of the charges, explain the next steps, and discuss any necessary travel arrangements.
I think the other deputy is going to give you a ride, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you can't get in anywhere.
Yeah, no one's. At this time, no one's.
Yeah, I understand that.
I did have a friend that left like 45 minutes ago. So. Is your camera on?
Yeah. Yeah. So she's being placed under arrest for DUI and resisting an officer without violence. In case you were wondering.
Oh, without violence?
Yeah.
It's all because she had the keys in the car.
Well, yeah, I mean, she's an active physical control of the vehicle. And like I said before, let's be real. I mean, she's hammered drunk right now. If she drove...
Well, the reason why we hung out longer was two things. One, because we were going to pass some time by, and two, because, you know, we're with each other.
I get that.
Yeah.
But still, she's way too intoxicated.
You know where she lives too, right?
She lives more towards me, but
She said I'm saying
it's not. It's a little longer ways. Yeah, they don't do that.
Then God forbid something happened.
She's Alafaya Woods or Alafaya?
She said Alafaya.
Hold
I
on.
thought she was Alafaya Woods.
And that's why the law states in active physical control of a vehicle, because if she drove from here and crashed, you know, after I came in contact with you guys, like, come on now. Obviously, I would be losing my job. Yeah.
I understand. What would it take for her? So she's basically going to be in jail overnight?
No. They don't do it overnight. She'll have a bond. It's going to be a $500 bond.
Okay.
So she'll have a bond.
Come pick her up in the next what?
That one I don't know about the time frame.
Depends on how busy the jail is.
Depends on how busy the jail is, how her attitude is, things like that. If she treats jail staff like she was treating us, then she'll probably be there all night. $14. But I'm not
Does she
gonna
have
do
her phone or you have her phone?
I'm gonna have her phone.
Can you put my number in there?
How about you write it down on a piece of paper and I'll put it.
With the decision made, the officer proceeded to take the woman to jail, but instead of cooperating, she shut down completely, refusing to answer any of his questions.
Alright, what else do you need?
That's it.
I just really want to make sure she calls me if she needs to be bailed out tonight.
Well, I told her, so
Did you hear that?
she's actually
He said to call him if you need to be bailed out. I have his number for you. It's in your purse. I'll make sure you have it at the jail. Good? Alright. She said okay.
What if I'm in jail and I don't have the money to get out?
Huh?
What if I'm in jail and I don't have the money to get out?
Or do you want to sit there and drink to be bonded out? The bond's gonna be only $50, right?
So like, am I gonna be there like forever? Like, what am I being charged with?
You'll be in charge with DUI. No, you will not be there forever.
Okay, so what the fuck does that mean?
What is your name?
So what am I being charged with?
DUI and resisting officer without violence. What is your name? Ma'am. What is your name? Can you hear me, ma'am? Alright, I need to identify you so I can get you booked in here so you can get out of here quicker. Is this your driver's license you gave me? Alright. Let me get your information, alright, so I can get you booked in so you can get out. Alright, sound good? Sound good? What's your phone number? You understand if you don't? cooperate with these simple things, you're not going to be able to leave here, right? And you're going to be here all night. Is that what you want to happen?
No, I just don't have anything. Like I don't have any information to call. I don't have anybody to call.
Oh, you have your phone. I have your phone with you. You're going to be able to make phone calls. This isn't the end of the world, okay? You made a mistake tonight. It's not that big of a deal.
What mistake? Why was I here?
DUI.
Okay, but why was I?
Because you had a little too much drink.
But why were you guys there?
Because I was doing
Tell
my
me.
job.
But why were you guys there?
Because that's our
What
job
was
is.
the reason
I don't
that
have
you
to have a
guys
reason.
were at the hitching post?
I don't have to
Tell
have a
me.
reason. I don't have to have a
But
reason.
what would you do?
Okay.
So I was parked at the hitching post. I was at the hitching
Okay, are
post.
you gonna?
Why
are
were you guys at the
Are
hitching
you
post?
going to identify yourself for me?
Why were you guys at the hitching post? No. Why were you guys at the
Alright,
hitching
then
post?
I'm gonna record you as Jane Doe, and you're gonna sit here all night,
Okay,
all day.
why were you guys at the hitching post? I mean, I don't understand why it's that hard to tell me why.
Because there's no.
And then I can tell you why.
There is no reason.
Why the fuck isn't there a reason? There has to be a reason why you guys are doing this. Why the fuck is there a reason why you're pulling me over?
The woman was charged with DUI and resisting an officer without violence. As a result, she received a sentence of 9 months of probation, along with 100 hours of community service.